Are you guys okay? Like you guys can guess from the title already. In this video, I'm trying out new recipes, and it's not just any recipes, it's those recipes which went viral on TikTok. So after Dalgona coffee went viral, I decided I should just try out other recipes as well and see if they are really worth the hype or not. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And also, I haven't filmed all the recipes in a single day, so please excuse the transitions. And yeah, that's it. Now without further ado, I think we should get started because we all are super hungry all the time. So let's go. The first recipe actually includes something which we all have in our houses right now, so I think this is the best thing to start the video off with. So what she did basically is made a roti or a paratha, added the cheese slice on top of it, then added some seasonings and made the paratha, and that is how she made a cheese paratha. Now I have made cheese paratha earlier, but I used to grate cheese and then add it. So let's try this method out and see. Okay guys, we have 2 cheese slices, and then for seasoning I'm gonna use this pizza seasoning from Kia. Let's make the roti first. Okay guys, so I think I made a big roti. This is not what I usually do. I think this will fit in perfectly in this, so we'll just remove the wrapper. Okay, we'll put this in the center now. Then we'll add in the seasoning. Move over to the black pepper. So then just fold this in. To be honest, I feel like cheese will just come out any moment now. Okay, I think this much is enough, and it's not exactly perfect. Now I'll just go ahead and cook this. Yeah, the cheese is coming out from here, so it's sticking. Look at that, the cheese just came out. Please make sure you make it properly. Now we'll just add ghee to it. The heat is so damn much. I just melted off my entire makeup, but we also melted some cheese here. So let's see how this is. I'm gonna just cut it with the help of paper. Pizza cutter. Let's see the cheese inside now. I am super excited about that. Oh my freaking god. So it's time for the taste test now. It's super hot, and most of you might know this. I don't like to eat super hot things, and also there's like strong smell of ghee, and usually we use oil to like make our paratha, so this is different. Let's try this out. I just hope it's not a disappointment. Not bad. If you added like pizza sauce in it, it will actually make like pizza paratha. So I'll rate the recipe in this video by saying if I'll make it again or not. And for this recipe, I'll definitely make it again, but with pizza sauce in it, a little bit of sauce inside when I'm putting cheese. It's perfect for kids, but we need some spice in our life, so that's missing. But it's good. You should definitely give this a try. Time for another recipe. So this one is actually ice cream, and it's made out of bananas. So here's what the video looks like. She took a lot of bananas, sliced them up, and then you have to keep this inside for 4 hours. Once it's frozen, you have to mix this with dairy milk and add milk and put it in a container and keep that for 2 hours another. So I cheated a little bit. I already kept my bananas inside to freeze them because I knew I won't have enough time, right? So wait. Okay, so you guys didn't see me put them in, but I kept them in the afternoon after having my lunch mostly, and they are frozen, quite frozen. Like I can't even. So for the chocolate, we are gonna use Dairy Milk Silk. Okay guys, so like you can see, the color of chocolate is still not there, so I'm gonna add in cocoa powder, and I think you can skip the chocolate and just add in cocoa powder to make it a little bit more healthier. Okay, now it looks like something chocolate, so I'm just gonna pour this in this container. You can see the consistency, it's quite thick. Whoa, oh, oops. So that is why the color didn't come. So like you can see, it's thick, and we also have a big piece of chocolate inside. We're just gonna keep it there, and then just freeze this. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday I did check up on the ice cream after 2 hours, but it wasn't done. I kept it overnight, and now we'll go ahead and see if it's done or not. It smells good. It smells like banana, so if you don't like banana, you probably would like this. So yeah, it's done. I'm gonna eat this later on. Right now I'm preparing lunch.
Later that same evening.
Okay guys, it was really hard to get this out. Wasn't like any other ice cream, and I couldn't even find my ice cream scooper. But even if I had that, I don't think it would come out that easily. Never mind, it's melting super fast, so I'll just first taste this and just hope I don't get cold tomorrow. I think there's a lot of banana in it. Just 60% banana. Not even 60, like 70% banana and like just 30% chocolate. Also not really a fan of the consistency. I really enjoy creamy ice creams, so this is something that I don't think I'm a fan of. I think it makes up for an amazing milkshake, but as an ice cream, I'm not gonna make this again. For lunch, we're gonna try this 15-minute white sauce pasta, and to be honest, I think I make decent white sauce pasta, but still, if I am missing out on someone, I really want to try this, and I definitely don't make it in 15 minutes. So let's give this a try. We will need some pasta, any cup pasta, any type, milk, 1 spoon butter, cheese, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so she added salt from the top. I don't really want to do that, so I'm gonna add in a little bit salt because I also add salt while cooking, so I'll just add in a little bit. So I think it's time to cover this. I'm not sure when to exactly cover because she didn't mention that, so I'll just cover it right now and let it cook for like 5 minutes. Whoa, okay. See, this is what I was afraid of, it getting stuck to the bottom of the pan. I think it's time to add the cheese now. So we'll just add in, this is by the way normal processed cheese. Okay guys, so I think it's done. The girl made it like super dry. I don't like it like that, so I'm gonna keep it like this. It will get dry once it's like cold, so I'll just turn off the heat and transfer this to a bowl. So she added pepper to this. Being an Indian, I want chili flakes and oregano, but we'll just stick to the recipe. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I think that should be enough, and I'm also gonna add in a little bit more salt. It's gonna be so hard to mix this. It's really hard to cook in summer, but it's okay. The pasta looks super good. So let's go ahead and try this out. I didn't mix this properly because there's like chunks of salt coming in my mouth. But to be honest, it's actually good. Like, it's super cheesy. So if you're someone who likes cheesy pasta, this is the way to go. I just miss chili flakes and oregano, like a typical Indian. But so far it's good, and I would definitely make this again. Like, never boiling white sauce pasta in water again. If I'm making red sauce, then I'll boil it in water. But if I'm making white sauce pasta, I'm definitely boiling in milk now. This just changed the game, and it's so yummy and it's quicker also. Yeah, thumbs up. See you guys for the next recipe now. It's time for another recipe. So this one looks really yummy and I'm super excited to try this out. It includes kurkure, onions, tomato, chili, dhania and tikha save and chaat masala, lastly lemon, and that's basically it. So first things first, instead of kurkure I'm gonna replace that with the 2 yum baked. It's exactly like kurkure. And for tikha save, I don't have tikha save, but I do have aloo bhujia, and I think that will make an amazing replacement for tikha save. Lastly, I'm not gonna add in chilies because I have also already. So chilies is something that I'm gonna avoid. Let's chop our veggie. It's too damn roll. Oh my god. I absolutely hate onions. I can't even wash my face right now because like I'm supposed to make videos. Let's get started. I'm gonna take a bigger bowl because I am making for 2 people. I'm super excited to try this. Please don't disappoint me. Hands down the best recipe I've tried so far. Like, it's amazing. Definitely gonna eat this a lot. Funny thing is, it's not even spicy. I could have added chilies in it. Also, the aloo bhujia save actually adds a nice twist because it also has like kind of that pudina aftertaste. So aloo bhujia is the way to go instead of like normal tikha save. So add that. I'm gonna let my dad try this and give you guys his first reaction because I think this turned out amazing. Papa, try this.
Wow, what is this?
Kurkure bhel or chaat
Bean or chaat?
with kurkure in it and aloo bhujia.
Good. Can I eat all this?
Joey doesn't share food!
So there you got it, guys. Excited to finish this now, and then I'll see you guys for another recipe that's happening tonight itself. So see you guys. I'm gonna end this video on a sweet note, trying out a sweet recipe. So this is what the recipe looks like. You take a bread, cut it with a glass, and the chocolate is inside, by the way. And then you just basically half fry it until it's like brown, and there you get that. So I'm excited. Let's try this out and see. I'm really worried if I'll be able to cut the bread properly. So I have bread here. Finally, I'm eating bread after 1.5 months or so. And for chocolate, I don't have normal dairy milk chocolate, but I do have the silk bubbly. I am someone who has trypophobia, so bubbly is something which doesn't really excite me that much. But we're gonna work with it because we don't have any other normal chocolate. So yeah, let's get started with this. Wow, are you kidding me? Look at the shape of this bread. All breads are not like that, lucky me. So I'm just gonna keep all the uneven bread on the side. Oh, So this is how basically that person did, if I'm not wrong. He just kept it here, and then you have to fold this. Oh my god! So I have to keep it here. मेरा bread नहीं है. And then cut this like that. Ish. We'll just improvise this. I'll keep one on top of the other and just cut it like so. Hopefully this works. But ये stick क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Stick कैसे हुआ था उसका? Mostly it's not sticking together. Secondly, it's like breaking a lot, so the chocolate will come out of it anyhow. This is just not working out. I saw another recipe where the person is actually like flattening the bread, so I'll try doing that. Yeah. Nope, still not sticking together, man. Oh. Okay. Now that's a little better. Use a fork and see if this works. Oh yeah, that works too. You can even use a fork to actually close it. And this looks better also. This is the best I can do. Now we'll just go ahead and half fry them, hoping the chocolate doesn't come out. Did you guys notice how much oil this actually used up? I added a lot of oil, but now all is left is this. So guys, the real test is now. I can clearly see the chocolate. I don't think it's melted. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but the crust is crunchy. Oh my god, this is so hot, but I'm gonna do this just for you guys. What a fail is this. So much trouble, and yet we didn't get the perfect result. But let's go ahead and see if this is tasty and if I will make this again. What do you guys think? Comment down. Pause the video right now and comment down below. It's quite hot, so I'm gonna wait for a little and then eat this. Very oily. I just kept it on like my fingers and you can see. You know what? It's actually yummy. Now here's my take on this. If I have to make this again, what I'll do is I'll get white bread firstly, hoping it folds properly. Secondly, I will use very less oil because I can taste the oil. You wanna see this? Wait, I'll just put this entire thing on my palm right now, okay? I think I can, like, there's like oil dripping. I think I'll make this like once in 6 months or so because I can have toast and Nutella directly instead of going through all that trouble of cutting the bread. Like, look at the wastage of bread that I just did there. So not worth all that, and definitely not worth all the oil that I used. So anyway, that was it for this video. I hope you guys had fun watching this. Let me know if I should do a part 2 by giving this video a big fat thumbs up. Let's say if this video crosses like 5,000 likes, I'll do a part 2 of this. Also, don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you are planning to try out any recipe from this video, or if I should try out any recipe. If there is any, please don't forget to send me the links on my Instagram or Twitter or anywhere else, and I'll try it out in my next video, who knows. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye with my oily hand. Mama, camera बंद करो, मेरा हाथ तेरे वालों से.